Hello, in this video we'll work on keep me logged in feature. Okay, so this is our checkbox in PHP. Checkbox always return on or off. If checkbox is checked, it returns on, otherwise it will return off. Okay, so now let's get its value here. I'm gonna write check box is equal to $_post keep, in small letter. You can see it is in small letters, keep. Okay, one thing that here you need to do is write is set. If you don't write is set, then it's gonna give you an error that keep is the undefined index. You must type is set. We're just saying that if checkbox is set, okay, you must write this is set, like we do for the session in the functions. Here is session is set, then return true. Okay, so write is set. Okay, don't forget to write is set. So if checkbox is checked, then we will use cookies. Like I said in the last videos, for keep me logged in functionality we use cookies. Okay, we will use cookies and session together. We also use session with the cookie. Okay, so let me explain cookies first. Okay, cookie is used to save the value, any value we want, but in this case we will save email, like we're doing in the session. You can save any value for us for a time you want, for any time you want. Okay, for example, I want that when user logs in, the email address of the user I want that email address to be saved for 1 hour, and I want the cookie to be deleted or removed after 1 hour. Okay, so we need to set the cookie for 1 hour, and after 1 hour that cookie will be unset or removed. Okay, or it will not work. So for example, when we use only session and you browse the website and you don't log out, you just close the browser, restart your computer, and then you will open the browser, you will be logged out automatically. That's the session. But this is not the case in the cookie. Unless the cookie is unset or time is over for the cookie, you will not be logged out. Okay, or if you click on logout, then the cookie will be unset immediately. Cookie will be removed immediately. But for example, you are browsing the website, but you clicked on keep me logged in, and you log in, and you did not click on logout button. You just close the browser, restart your computer, then you log in to your computer. You will be log into that website. You will be logged in because your cookie is not expired yet. Okay, so hope you understand the concept, but if you still don't understand the concept, don't worry, just add a discussion or contact me. I will explain as much as I can, and I will give you some references so you can fully understand what's going on. So for keep me logged in functionality, we use session and cookie together. Just keep the session as it is. Okay, just we need to add cookie here if the checkbox is checked. Okay, if checkbox is checked, we just need to use if else condition. If checkbox is on, then we need to add cookie too. Okay, just use if checkbox equals on, that means checkbox is checked. Okay, checkbox is here we are getting if we are checking if checkbox is on or off. Okay, if it is on, then we are gonna set the cookie. We use set cookie method. Cookie method. So set the cookie. Sorry for this, I don't know what's going on today with me. Okay, first thing you need to do is provide the key, which is email, like we do here. This is the key, this is the key, and this is the value. You can say the same thing is here. We first need to provide email, this, then comma, and then the value, which is email here, this one. It takes a lot of parameters, and you can also provide the domain for this specific cookie. And to keep this simple, most people does the same like I'm doing here. So if you want to read more about it, you can go to PHP manual, you can read more about it, about this. But if you want to keep things simple, you can just use this on your website. Okay, you don't need to add more functionality in it, because this works fine. Okay, the second parameter is the time. Second parameter is the time that you need to add when you want to unset the cookie or expire the cookie. For example, I want to expire the cookie after 1 hour when user signs in. So what you need to do is write the current time. We use time function to get the current time. Okay, when user signs in, that will be the current time of the user, and we will add 1 hour to this time. So after that time, after 1 hour of that time, this cookie will be expired. Okay, so we need to add 1 hour to this time. So we always write time in seconds. Okay, so 1 hour, there are 3600 seconds in 1 hour. 1 hour has 3600 seconds. Okay, 3600 seconds are in 1 hour. I added 3600 to the current time. The current time is the time when user signs in. When you signs in, we add 1 hour to that time, and after 1 hour this cookie will be expired. So we have successfully set the cookie. Okay, so one thing we now also need to do is make some changes in the logout and logged in function. This logged in function, this is only checking session, but we also want to check the cookie. It's good if you also check the cookie. Okay, but if you don't, then it will also work fine, but it will be good if you check for that too, because it's okay if you are only checking for the session, because session is also setting with the cookie. Okay, yeah, if it's set, this is the super global variable. Similarly, cookie also have a super global variable, and the name of our cookie is email, just like session. Okay, this cookie just basically checks this value. Okay, this is this value right here. Okay, this is the value in the super global cookie variable. Okay, we are saying that if email is set or cookie is set, just return true. Okay, that means user is logged in. And in the logout session, when user logs out, we need to do two things. We need to destroy the session and unset the cookie, or destroy the cookie or expire the cookie. To expire the cookie, only thing you need to do is set the cookie to minus. Okay, we just set the cookie that the cookie is expired. We need to remove the time, okay, that we set in login page. I'm gonna set the cookie. So first value was email. Okay, like in here, the first value was email. Let's write it in double quotes, but single quote also works. Okay, email. Second value is the value which is the email, but here you don't need to write value. Okay, it's okay if you don't write value. You don't need to write value, and you also can't access that email here. Okay, don't write that, just leave it empty. Third parameter is the time. In login we added 3600 to current time, but here we are gonna minus 3600 from the current time. This is the only way we can unset a cookie. Okay, this expires the cookie when we minus from the current time. Okay, to set the cookie, just add 3600. You can set any time you want. You can set half hour, you can add 1 day, you can add 36 days, you can add 1 year if you like, but I'm only adding 1 hour, but you can add 2 or 5 or whatever you want. Okay, 3600 minus, it means this unsets the cookie and our user goes back to login page. So now let's test this, how it works. Let me refresh it. I'm not gonna click on keep me logged in. I'm just logging in. You are logged in. Now I'm gonna log out. Working good. Now let me show you something awesome. Let's test this if it works. I'm not clicking on keep me logged in. Okay, I'm just clicking login. Now I'm gonna close the browser. keep me logged in is not clicked. Okay, I'm just testing this. We're just testing this. Now I close the Chrome. Now when I open the Chrome, the I should be logged out. Okay, because we have not clicked on keep me logged in. I'm going to profile.php. It should redirect me to login.php. See, it logged me out to login.php because we have not clicked on keep me logged in. Now I'm gonna click on keep me logged in. Let's see how it works. Keep me logged in, login. We successfully logged in. I'm gonna close this and I'm gonna close browser from my taskbar. We successfully closed the Chrome. Now I'm gonna open the Chrome and check if it's working. Awesome. Yeah, see, we are logged in. Awesome, it's working awesome. But after 1 hour this will be expired. Okay, we will after 1 hour, when we close our browser and reopen it, we will be logged out. Okay, so I hope you guys understand how this keep me logged in working. This keep me logged in is now working great. It is totally functional. Okay, you can use it on your website. Many people don't understand how this works. Now you fully understand how session and cookies work. But if you still don't understand the difference, don't worry. Why I'm here for? I'm here to teach and you are here to learn. Okay, just contact me and I'll be there to help. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next video.